Well, good morning, YouTube. It's time to wrap up part 2 of the Smorgasbord weekend. A video of fun-filled facts and follies. Anyway, I'm heading out here to wrap up those projects, so if you're into it, stick around. We're also going to go pick up the washer and dryer. I got some shelves to build. And it's cold. It's cold this morning. It's 18 degrees. And it's threatened to stay this way until next Tuesday. And then Wednesday it's supposed to snow. And then Thursday it's supposed to start raining. So we got ourselves some weather. So stick around. Let's have some coffee and let's hang out. All right. So I got my snowshoes on, and I gotta tell you, they're freaking awesome. They're very easy to walk in. I don't know how it would be going uphill though. That's going to be interesting. But they're staying on my feet really well. They're comfortable. I got my snowshoes on. I got my old snowshoes on. Oh, you got a stick? Oh, that's a big stick. That's a good one. Good boy, Rennie. Good boy. Oh, that's a good boy. Yeah. Good boy. I got my old snowshoes. I got my old snooze. Oh, old snowshoes on. What are you pulling? What are you mushing for?
I want to see Daddy.
You see Daddy?
Ben, did you see him go by? Oh, there he goes.
He went by with a gigantic stick.
What'd you do?
I got my snowshoes on, dude.
See that? Snowshoes on the rock. What do you think, Ruby? Is it silly?
You concur?
It's cold.
I know it's not going to be perfectly a deep snow. Probably going to sink down deeper. It's only a few inches here. But at least they appear to be staying on my feet. Size 16. So, yeah, there we have it. I got to use my snowshoes. All right. Ooh, doggy, it's cold out there. It is chilly. Hey, I was going to show you that little hook thing that I got in part 1. This is part 2. And I got all that tape off and hit this with some acetone and cleaned up actually pretty nice. It's a mystery item. I mean, I'm sure this is for pulling, so maybe it's to grab something off of a line or something and pull it in. I don't know, maybe meat or ice or something like that. Pretty cool. That cleaned up real nice. Also, for those of you who don't know, if you look at the beach video that I posted last night, if you notice that I didn't show me having coffee, well, that's because my beloved stove exploded. Dalton, thanks for the stove. I really appreciate it. I got a ton of good uses out of it, but it had a mind of its own yesterday. It sprung a leak while it was functioning, and I'll just show you. There it is. The bottom blew out of it, and that baby exploded. Look at this. It even tilted this off to the side. I could not find 2 of the 3 stanchions, heater stanchions for it, which sucks. Because maybe I can find a replacement font for this someday. I'm not throwing this out because I did find the heater deal there, and then in here, what did I do with it? Oh, it's in the van. I found the brass bottom that blew out of it. I was able to recover that as well. So that's interesting. Boom! Public announcement. Stuff can blow up. If this would have been on my bench, it would have been a catastrophe. It shot up literally like 25, 30 feet in the air in a ball of flames. Another thing I wanted to show you is I picked up this cool Trangia LP kit, and I think I think it'll snap into that hole there. I don't know for sure. I'm not really sure how this kit actually goes together, but no, it looks too big. Yeah, it definitely looks too big. To snap in there. This is a cook system that you stack up. I have these in my Svea 123 kit. This is an actual SIG here. And you can stack these up around your Svea stove and make a nice little windscreen and cook kit. And this is a different type, different style here. I need to do some research and actually figure out how these work, because I'm not actually sure. But this is a brand new little SIG stove in the box, and I'm gonna have to read up on it. You can kind of see what it's supposed to look like there. I don't know. Future video coming your way. Trangia LP stove with the SIG Tourist. All right, now back to the bench. So I've got some of my bushcrafting and packing items here unloaded. I'm just now doing some sorting and putting some things away and getting some things together. However, what this bench is for is I've got all kinds of storage down here. So I'll have my cords and my sleeping bags and my stoves and my fanny packs and all that stuff. When this is cleared off, I'll pull this storage unit out and set it here, and I'll unpack my bag. I found that I'm actually rotating. I'm going to different bags, but a lot of stuff I'll carry the same stuff, or I'll want different stuff for different types of packs. So what I want to do is I want to unload, especially when I get done. I got wet clothes and things like that, food. I'll unpack my backpack on this bench. I'll put everything in this tray, and then I can get it out of the way, slide it up underneath here, and then let my backpack dry out, and I can sort and do all my stuff with this bench. So that's it. That was my project to get this bench going. Tomorrow I've got some sorting, and I'll put away the stuff that's on the top of the bench there. That's awesome. My goal for tomorrow is to actually get all of this stuff put on a shallow shelf. Now the fuel will stay low like that, but basically I want to get this corner organized and get all my coffee pots all dialed in right there. So stay tuned. That'll be content for tomorrow in my part 2. I'll release this part 2 tomorrow morning or tomorrow sometime when I get more stuff together. Got a little split. And another one over here. There we go. That'll do it. I'll set this in my heated room overnight. Alright, how are we going to clean this out? Chip that out real quick. Oh, it's going to come out pretty easy actually. Especially if I warm it up. Whew, it's cold. Get this outside a little clean up. Back. And the inside. We got ourselves a nice little can. Up inside of the lid. There we go. And snap that on there. Little polish. Oh yeah. Beautiful. And there we go. And there we go. Lincoln stain wax. Nice and clean inside and out. Smells heavenly. I love the smell of that shoe polish. I'm going to keep that as a memory in a can. Cleans, polishes, colors. There we go. The John Lincoln Company, Sunnyvale, California. There you have it for the day. We'll see you tomorrow, and let's do it again. Have a good evening. I've just been informed tonight's pizza night. All right. Uh-oh, how come oh, that's because this one's got to be on first. There we go. All right, let's get this out of here, and let's get ready to build some shelves. Let's see. How do we do here? Yeah. Very nice. Yeah, good shape. All right, mystery item is ready to rock and roll. I'll still leave it in here. Give it some more dry time. All right. Get my little saw going. All right, I'm gonna take this down and get it out of my way. Yay! I've officially put up a shelf. Okay, I cleared off the top, and I made like I can keep some on the very top. And I got 2 shelves in. I think I can do 1, 2, at least 3 more. I absolutely hate going to Lowe's. I got these brackets here at a yard sale. So far, the wood and the brackets all have been from yard sales. I'm going to cut these down. Alright, so I am going to need some wood. So, I'll be right back. Hey babe, did you get the hand truck? Alright, hang on. Randy, you ready to go home? You ready to go home? Okay, we got the washer and dryer, and then we just went bankrupt at Lowe's. Oh my gosh.
Ridiculous.
That is $dollars for hoses.
They got $25.
They got $25, and then I wanted to buy screws. I'm not doing it.
$8.
I will literally cut screws. I will literally cut the screws that I have that are too long. I'm not doing it. So, anyway, back to the office. You missed the best part though.
The snow.
All right.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Did it. All right, we did it. And we decided we're not going to waste any daylight hours on the hookup. So we'll do that. Divorce papers be drafted tomorrow. All right, sorry for the distraction. We have picked up the washer and dryer, moved the washer and dryer into the house, went to Lowe's, got new hoses, got new parts for the washer and dryer for hookup. We're going to do that tonight. That's not going to be a part of part 2. It's just too much. We're going to finish these shelvings and wrap part 2 up. I just got robbed. These were $2.05 each. I needed 13 of them, but I was able to get out of their seconds this what they call scrap wood. These were normally 13. I got them for half off, so 6, 12, 18, and then they only had an 8-footer I'll have to cut down. So I mean, about $50. Everything else I had already. So let's get to going. Okay, I'm back on. I got 2 more in, and I got 2 more to go. Okay, YouTube, we did it. I got it done. I'm gonna flip you around. There we go, in all its glory. So I got some sorting to do, some organizing to do, get my fuel categorized. Those are empties down there, those propanes. That's kerosene, Coleman fuel, rug, gas, lamp oils. This is going to be a miscellaneous shelf here right there, and then my coffee pots up above. If you had fun, thanks for sticking around with me. I know it's a long video of smorgasbords, and I hope everybody had a great Sunday, and be safe next week and have a great week next week. Thanks for watching.